and continues to increase. No surprise there because of the aging population. The big change that's coming to Wheel-Trans is integration with the conventional service. That will improve its efficiency, and that will be achievable starting next year when we have more low-floor accessible streetcars and more accessible subway stations. So the pattern that we're pursuing in Wheel-Trans is less dependence on our specialized buses, more on taxis, so that by 2025, fully 1/4 of all trips will be migrated to the integrated service with the conventional system. Another important part of our service offering is commuter parking. We have 28 lots at 14 subway stations, the biggest being Finch East and West, so about 6 million trips are accommodated annually through commuter parking. The commuter parking generates a modest net operating income. The demand is really constrained by the lack of capacity at a number of lots, which we see on a daily basis. We expect about 60% of commuter parking to disappear on a temporary basis because of initiatives by Build Toronto and Metrolinx. In the long term, we'll probably lose about 38% of our spaces to redevelopment of these properties. And at present, we see initiatives such as the LRT construction removing precious spaces at stations like Kennedy.
I know you have been moving fairly expeditiously for the last couple of minutes. What I'll do is put the clock on, as we would do for others. Just because you've had a bit of time, we'll give you another, say, 4 minutes to finish up in whatever way you see fit, because then we might have some questions and we have to keep moving, okay?
More than fair,
I know you've got lots of material here, and I have some couple of questions on some stuff near the back. I hope you get there.
All right.
And if not, I'll get there for you. I'll help you.
Appreciate that, Mr. Mayor. All right, couple of words then on our ridership profile. Interestingly, the majority of TTC riders have both a driver's license and a vehicle, which is to say a lot of our riders are choice riders. They can choose to use us or not, depending on the quality of our service. Over half of them are 35 years of age or younger. Almost 3/4 of Torontonians use the system at least once a week. You can see the large percentage of trips which are carried on transit, very important to the city. Ridership increasing consistently since 1996. Less than half of our trips are work-oriented, which shows that Torontonians use the TTC for many, many purposes. In fact, we are unique in the fact that we carry more travelers in off-peak than peak. We have a high ridership per capita, higher than most other comparable properties. I'll skip some of these. Our revenue cost is amongst the highest in North America by far, but our subsidy per rider is sadly amongst the lowest in North America. Very quickly, the service initiatives which have been possible because of Council's investment of $95 million this year.